set up big goals for yourself? Do you like achieving big goals? If yes, like and subscribe. We the Masti Kids! And I'll tell you about my big goals. Today I finished reading 500 books. I'm so happy. To the back of the window. Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Isaac. Today's episode is about reading challenge. I finished reading 500 books before I turned 6.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you how you can do it too. There are no shortcuts, but I will give you 4 tips. You need to start practicing at a very young age. You need your adult who is always there to help and encourage. Regularity and consistency is a must. Set a goal and have a way to track progress.
Then comes G, all out of breath.
Let's eat for like deep,
Good job.
Play all day and never get tired. Just like my older brother Ishmael, I started practicing when I was very little. Everyone in my house loves to read, so my Aunt Deb will read to me. Grandma would read to me. Daddy and Mom would read to me. We will sometimes do word cards to learn new words. Snacks.
Next one.
Mom.
So altogether
Next
that's 3x plus
Good job.
Cat.
Good job.
9,000.
Apple.
Good job.
That's 1,
Dog.
2, 3
Good job.
x's and 9,000.
Cow.
That's equal
Good
to
job.
I had a goal to finish 300 books before age 5. Sitting still has been a big challenge for me. So my parents had to put up with a lot of motion as I read. Somehow we made it work. Eventually I started reading all by myself. Really, who could go to sleep? When I finished reading 300 books, my mom got me fancy cookies that I shared with my friends at the party. I got a lot of presents that day. I also got a certificate from daycare as a proof. My mom logs all my books at Goodreads. So if you're ever looking for a list of good books for kids under 6, find my list in the description of this video. My mom always buys us books as presents. Plus I had a pile of books that Ishmael had read, never-ending supply of books for me. After my 5th birthday, I started to work real hard to finish reading 500 books for my 6th birthday. This is me reading my 500 books. When I finished reading, Mom surprised me with some gifts.
What did you do today, Isaac?
500 books!
You read 500 books?
In one day.
Yeah.
And here's your
I really wanted a candy crown, so I got that. And some more candies. My brother doesn't eat much candies, so I don't have to worry about sharing. All for me. Whoa! I want to share with you.
What'd you get, Isaac?
Way too much sweets.
Too many candies?
What?
Noodles.
I mean, this is from Daji. What you got?
I need chocolate. Oh, never mind. It's, wait, what is it? It says assorted.
Of course I get a new book as present. Yay, book!
Lucy knows
Knows best.
I got something
And then
like
you
this when I
try
read
it.
down.
Let's open it!
Show me what it is.
A tea set.
A tea set.
And I really wanted this tea set. I want to be a chef when I grow up. So this is all good practice.
I just sold it. I just sold him.
Thank you.
Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. All in all, it was a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We the Masti Kids. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.